Check out this channel and look at these insane view counts. One video hit 4.7 million views in just 11 days. This niche is blowing up right now, and it's still relatively unsaturated. If you want to jump on this trend before everyone else does, today is your day. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral-style videos using completely free AI tools. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll find our universal prompt in the description below and in our Telegram channel. This prompt has two powerful sections. Part 1 generates engaging video concepts automatically. Part 2 gives you ready-to-use image and video prompts to produce your final video. It's a complete system in one prompt. Open the prompt document and copy the entire concept generation section. Head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 unique video concepts for you. Each concept includes the topic, story idea, and a unique twist that makes it stand out. Browse through them and pick the one that resonates with your style or audience. Once you've selected your concept, let's say concept number 8, go back to the prompt document. Scroll down to the master prompt section. You'll see two fields, topic and duration. Copy your entire selected concept, including all the details and the unique twist, and paste it into the topic field. For duration, you can choose 30 to 45 seconds for shorts, or go longer with 5 to 6 minutes for full videos. For this demo, I'm setting it to 3 minutes. Now, copy the entire master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and hit generate. ChatGPT will break down your video into scenes and provide you with detailed image prompts, video prompts, sound design instructions, and camera angles for each scene. You'll get everything you need: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and so on, all structured and ready to go. Let's start with image generation. We'll use Google ImageFX or any free AI image generator. You don't need a paid plan. Most free versions let you generate 100+ images daily. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 from ChatGPT, paste it into the image generator. Add the scene description and camera angle details below it. Select your preferred model and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Download the image you like. Repeat this process for all remaining scenes until you have all your visuals ready. Now here's where the magic happens. Head over to YouTube and click on the Upload button. You'll see an option called Create with AI or AI Video Generator. This is YouTube's built-in image-to-video feature. Click on it and upload your first scene image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it into the prompt field. Then copy the sound design details and paste them as well. Add the mood details too. Click on Generate and YouTube's AI will transform your static image into a moving video clip with all the effects you specified. Once it's generated, download the video. Now upload your second scene image, paste the second video prompt along with sound design and mood details, and generate the next clip. Repeat this process for all your scenes. YouTube's AI video feature makes this incredibly easy and completely free. Once all your video clips are generated, use any free video editor like CapCut or even YouTube's built-in editor to combine all the scenes in order, add transitions, background music, and your voiceover. And just like that, you've created a professional, viral-ready AI video in minutes using YouTube's own AI tools. That's it for today. See you in the next one.